Hello everybody! In this unit, we're going to work on matter, materials, and forces. So the first thing we have to do is ask, what is matter? Why some objects are heavier than others? Why some objects float and others sink? Let's find out! We will start by matter and its states. What's matter? Matter is everything that we can see, smell, and touch. It can be natural, for example wood, or man-made, like a table. Let's see the states of matter. Matter can be found in three states. Solids, they have got a fixed shape, for example an ice cube, a nail, and a rock. Liquids, they haven't got a fixed shape, they take the shape of the container they're in. They cannot be compressed. For example, water in a glass and oil in a bottle. And gases, they haven't got a fixed shape, they fill all the available space around them. They can be compressed and they can also expand. For example, air in a balloon and water vapor. All matter has two properties, mass and volume. What's mass? Mass is the amount of matter in an object. We use scales to measure mass. The common units are grams and kilograms. On the other hand, volume is how much space an object occupies. The volume of a liquid can be measured with graduated cylinders. For example, test tubes, like these ones. The common unit in this case is millimeters. Let's talk about density now. Density is another property of materials. It's a general property of materials. Density measures how much matter there is in a specific volume. For example, in solids, we can have a ball of quartz and a ball of steel. If we compare them, we will see that they've got the same volume, but the ball of quartz has got less mass than the ball of steel. That means that the ball of steel is denser. On the other hand, liquids can also have different densities. For example, a liter of water and a liter of oil have got the same volume, but water has got more mass than oil. This means that water is denser than oil. We can see it in this picture. We can see that water is at the bottom and oil stays at the top because it's less dense than water. All this takes us to buoyancy. What does it mean? It means that solids float on liquids that have more density than them. For example, this piece of wood, this plastic, or the paper boat. Solids sink on liquids that have less density than them. For example, the nail or the coin. By now, we have answered the first question, but now it's your turn. You will have to find out what are materials, what are the properties, what do we use them for, and what are forces. So let's go. Bye bye.